Hello, everyone. My name is Tom. I'm 10 years old. The animal bridge. Focus question. How do the animals' feelings change during the story? Bear was sitting berries with Blue Jay flew down to him. The humans are building something, Blue Jay said. Not again, Bear cried. The humans had made many roads through the forest. Bear saw Deer coming toward him. Bear asked, "What's wrong, Deer?" Deer said, "I am all alone. I got cut off from the other deer. I'm too scared to cross the road to find them. We need to do something to stop the humans," said Bear. The animals came together. They talked about the humans and their new bridge. Rabbit showed off her two big front teeth. "I can shoot through the wires under their chucks," said Rabbit. "Then the humans can use them to dig up the land," she added. Rabbit ran toward the chucks. When she got there, she chewed wires until snap. The wires split. The work went on. Moose said, "I can run into any day." He made a tent in the chuck. He felt dizzy. Then Moose fell down. The work went on. Skunk said, "My smell can drive away the workers." Skunk ran behind the workers and sprayed them. The workers put masks over their faces. The work went on. The animals went to check on the humans. They were upset that the humans were still working in the forest. One day, the animals watched the workers put dirt and rust over the bridge. Soon, the worker left. Then the animals saw them putting up signs under the bridge. "I think this bridge was made for us," Ray said. "Now I can find my friends," Deer said. Then she ran into the forest. The animals looked down at the road. They cheered for their new bridge. Connections. Writing. Pretend you are one of the animals in the story. Write a friendly letter to the humans. Include your feelings about the bridge before and after it was made. Science. Think about the habitat of each animal in the story. Discuss with a partner what each animal needs to live. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.